YouTube, today is the day. Boom. It's always dope cars here. Every time I pull up, we got that wrap Cadillac right there to my right with a Ferrari right next to it, the same Ferrari. And then we got a nice C8 Corvette sitting out front. Set my bags down real quick.
What's up?
Yo. All right, you guys, so it's that final moment, man. Boom. Is it cool if we put it over where you took those photos and I'll do some cinematic video over there?
Yeah, of course.
Perfect. I'm excited about this series because for the people who really want to know about the wrap process and what's all involved and are really serious about getting a wrap, you're going to learn a lot from this series. We gave a lot of information. So Gage really educated you guys a lot when it came to the wrap. We did a vinyl wrap. We did powder coating on the wheels. We did a ceramic coating amongst all of that. We did the tail light tint and emblem blackout and stuff like that.
Yeah, so we, and then we coated the vinyl, we coated the wheels, the calipers, the exhaust tips. So water's not going to stick to it. Contaminants still can sit on the surface.
Okay.
They're not going to embed themselves though. Just keep your cleaning processes up. Clean it maybe like once a week. Try to. With the ceramic coating, you want to use a pH balanced soap. We also have IGL enhancer. All our products are over here.
Boom.
The enhancer is going to be a quick detailer. It's almost like a conditioner, like for your hair. It's just going to help strengthen the coating and keep it to where it needs to be. IGL wash is going to be like the shampoo. It's just what's going to keep it clean.
That's that right there, you guys. Right there. We're going to keep it clean.
And then that Premier, that's an optional thing. That's like if you really like to feel like you're waxing your car, that's going to be a good top coat for the car to really just reinforce the whole coating. I'm going to tell y'all what I'm rolling with off the bat. I want a Blizzard. I want the wash, enhancer. Those three right there. I think that'll help me maintain. I like getting out and washing my car. It's like therapy for me. You know, it's the one time it's just you and your car and music or whatever. So I can put a cap full and then fill up the foam cannon, and that'll be plenty. So it's not going to hurt you to put more in. It's just kind of a waste. But I mean, I get it. You cap full. Like that suddy, super. So it's like, do you want the looks of the suds, or do you just want what's gonna work, right? Because it's pretty much like a pre-wash to a degree. You just foam it, like she said yesterday. Foam it, let those impurities fall off, and then you come around, and then we're gonna hit it with the blow, and then we'll finish it with this. So let me ask you a question with the enhancer. What's the best way to apply this? Wet or dry? Or we always do dry. Dry, okay. Never spray it on the car. Spray it onto a towel. Onto a towel, okay. Because if you start spraying it on the car and you get it on the windows and whatnot, this still does have ceramic in it. So don't go overboard with it. Just normal wipe down, because if you do go overboard with it, you can experience some rainbow stuff, but it's super easy to work with. Double pass, what you thinking? I cross hatch, so I always go horizontal and then I go vertical. Boom. Listen, see what I did with that's how you pick the brain of an expert. You ask them a little bit, they give you their method, then boom, you have your method now. And now I can be like Gage out here. So, my theory with this is you pay a lot to have your car coated. Use the products intended to maintain it. I mean, the company that created the coating also created these products, so I should have little to the least amount of issues. In my theory, we have an IGL coating. We're going to use IGL products to maintain our coating. And
as you guys see, cap full per use. Like, this is gonna stretch me for a good amount of time, a good amount of washes, and I'll keep my coating. Spray nozzle, baby.
So there's that, and then we're gonna hook you up with one of these too. This is just like a nice little to-go kit with everything. So it comes with some extra spray nozzles.
Sweet.
It comes with a towel. And then you're gonna have tire, which is good for like tire dressing.
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
Your IGL wash, an extra little bottle of it. This is glass, so this is a good glass cleaner.
Sweet.
And then dash, so that's gonna be like to protect the interiors and whatnot.
Oh,
it's
that's
not gonna be
perfect.
slimy or anything. And then this is air. Air is gonna be like more or less it's gonna help purify the air. So in terms of smell and in terms of like.
So you're just spraying that like Febreze.
Exactly. And the last one's an interior cleaner.
And I noticed that these are, I think, are environmentally conscious products, which
yeah.
I'm all about.
IGL is one of the first, if not maybe the first, I'm not positive, to be environmentally friendly, and we don't have to wear masks or anything like that, or worry about getting sick or, you know, carcinogens or anything like that. It's a very natural.
And that's perfect, because honestly, in my household, that's how I use all of my, even my cleaning products in my household are like on this level, like, you know, be up in Whole Foods getting those cleaning products and things like that. But how long can I maintain this coat for? How long you think this coat would last? Me doing this and trying my best, how long do you think I get out of this?
If you really take care of it, I would say it's warranted for 2 years.
Right.
I would say that you could get like 3 or 4 out of it as long as you continually stay on top of it.
What are the signs that your coat is starting to like,
It's
you
not
know?
as hydrophobic.
Take care of your coatings. Take care of what you spend your hard-earned coins on. Super satisfied with the finished product. I'm leaving better than when I came in, as far as the education with my vehicle, as far as the look of my vehicle, and even just my relationship here. So I'm super amped about this, you guys. It was well worth it. I enjoyed the experience. A lot of days, a lot of work, a lot of hours of recording. If it isn't obvious by now, you guys already know where I'm gonna tell you to go. If you are in the Missouri, the Mo, or even if you're in the surrounding cities, like you wanna pull down from Chicago, you know what I mean, Tennessee, pull up here, you guys, because you guys see the quality of work right there. We fake speeding tickets. Listen here, man. I bought the Uniden R7 so I can avoid those, hopefully.
So this is your breakdown on it. This is after the $1,000 down payment with it.
Yes, yes.
So the vinyl wrap, and then the IGL wheel, the powder coating, ceramic coating
Yep.
on all the vinyl, taillight tint, PPF, so that's for the side blades,
Yep.
the roof, and then the spoiler.
What's up, brother?
What's up, my man? What do you think?
Oh, I love it, dude.
Yeah.
Absolutely love
The
it.
Blizzard's 30.
Yep.
IGL wash is 20.
Yep.
And then 30 for the enhancer. And then
Yes,
that
sir.
is the full breakdown.
All right.
Look right?
Bada bing, bada boom.
Cool.
Oh, and I definitely need a receipt. Big boy number church. That's not even the full price, y'all. There's the deposit in there. Shh. Listen, man, work hard, like grind, hustle. As I said before, I've always wanted to mod out cars my whole life since I was young. I just couldn't do it at a certain point, but now I'm in a position to do it, man. And, yeah, it's a long road to get to this point. Y'all don't even know.
Last curve.
Oh, yeah.